Hey friends, this is Sid from All-in-One Reviews and welcome to my Ace software review. Today we will discuss about Aceapp features that you need to know before buying it. And what are the bonuses you are getting if you purchase Aceapp now. Plus I do have a special bonus tip for you, so please stick with me till the end of this video to know all of this. So basically, what is Aceapp? Aceapp is a new app that taps into TikTok for non-stop clickbank sales. Once you see the potential with this, you'll want to scale this even more. This is the easiest way for anyone to start earning passively at home. Let's move to the most important part of this video, Aceapp features. You will get everything you need with Ace to get results today. The new Aceapp is a totally set and forget, beginner-friendly app lets you leverage TikTok for free traffic that fills up our ClickBank account with sales like clockwork. 15,000 plus DFY viral TikToks. You'll also get instant access to 15,000 plus ready-to-go viral TikToks that you can use as your own for a tsunami of free buyer traffic. Step-by-step tutorials. They've including over-the-shoulder tutorials walking you through exactly how they've able to generate at least $51.42 per day with TikTok and ClickBank. 100 plus done-for-you offers. The very best offers on ClickBank that require no approval that you can use with the Aceapp like we do for sales on demand. 60-second dummies guide. You may be totally new to TikTok and ClickBank, and that's fine because in Aceapp their 60-second guide brings your knowledge up to speed real fast. $51.42 per day case study. They've including a real-life case study walking you through the exact steps that they have took to pull in at least $51.42 using the Aceapp. Forex online training sessions. There will be 4 live streams where they'll actually show you how to use the Aceapp to fill up your ClickBank account with juicy commissions 24/7 even whilst you sleep. The Aceapp is simple, fast, easy, and it flat out. It basically works for anyone. And more importantly, no technical skill required to use it. Let's see what bonuses you are getting with Aceapp. Bonus number 1. 10x done-for-you funnels. You'll get 10 done-for-you funnels so you can have your own mini online empire of ATMs like we do passively, making us money 24/7. This is the perfect addition to Ace to further monetize the TikTok traffic. Worth $1,997. Bonus number 2. The passive income hack. You'll get our favorite app that takes 30 seconds to set up that results in completely hands-free passive income for us, even whilst the computer is turned off. Worth $497. Bonus number 3. Online store with 10,000 plus products. You'll get your own online store that you can use to further monetize the TikTok traffic. This is completely set up for you. Just upload and enjoy the flurry of notifications hitting your inbox 24/7. Worth $1,997. Bonus number 4. Clone results strategy. We'll show you exactly what to do in the first 15 minutes so that you can clone our results for yourself. Bonus number 5. Special live $1,000 a day training event. You'll also be invited to the closed live training showing you how we make $1,000 to $25,000 a day. Worth $997. Finally, the bonus tip that you are waiting for. If you want to get a copy of Aceapp for yourself, you can visit the description box. I have provided the official link of Aceapp. Plus, if you find the video helpful, don't forget to like the video. That's for all today. Thanks for watching. Thank you.